Hello, good morning, Mariel Malimas.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm totally fine. Excited for this interview.
So we will start with our questions now.
Yes, sir.
You have presented your topic discuss analysis of the newspaper in the column in the conference. Please explain your research in a nutshell.
Okay, so I presented a paper on discourse analysis in newspaper advice column last December 18. And to give you a short background on what the study is all about, the study investigated the feminist voice revealed in the advice transaction column Women's World, Sunday issues of Sunstar Daily newspaper. This is a local newspaper here in Cebu, Philippines. The study focused on societal roles of women advice seekers and as advice givers, and also the socio-psychological thematic issues involved in the advice column. The results show that women face particular and complicated obstacles in life and play a variety of roles in society. Their varied experiences have revealed insightful facts such as that women worry about things like their weight and appearance, matriarchal obligations, relationships, and career goals, among other things. These problems provide as an example of the intricate and varied difficulties that women encounter in daily life. Also, the study found that women who seek guidance have a number of social psychological issues that represent the worries and difficulties they face in their daily lives, including psychological issues, relationship infidelity, family troubles, commitment, uncertainty, and professional obstacles. The study also emphasized the significant contribution that women have as advice givers in newspaper advice columns. Women offer guidance on a range of subjects such as family problems, romantic relationships, and raising kids. And lastly, the study highlighted the importance of women's support and guidance of others and the necessity for support systems that empower women to have fulfilled lives.
Thank you for the information. What is the challenge you have faced in the research journey?
One of the challenges is the time, since I am a full-time professor here in our university. Preparing for classes for the different courses demands really more time. Hence, I have to juggle my time prioritizing teaching and at the same time doing research despite the very hectic schedules. But because I really love research, I make sure that I can really finish my research before the given deadline.
What was your motivation during the research?
I could not just talk about this specific research alone, but it should be for the entire research journey and what makes me motivated. I believe it is always my curiosity, which is my ultimate motivation. Every time I think of something, I always ask myself what the answer is. And I know that in order for me to know the answer is to motivate and to inspire myself to do research so that I can satisfy my curiosity. But I admit I'm really curious with a lot of things, but I have not actually done research in all of those.
Thank you for your answer. What advice would you give to the researchers who are just starting out in their journey world based on your own experience?
This advice is really based on my experience back when I was still a newbie in research. Find a research mentor. Find a research mentor who is very passionate and dedicated to help you grow as a researcher. Having a good research mentor when I started this research journey was a big help. And through her valuable comments and insights, I am now able to do research on my own. Through her mentorship, I am able to slowly build my confidence in myself as a researcher.
Thank you for sharing your experience. What is your positive feedback about the conference?
This is actually my first time that I have attended the Social Science and Humanities Research Association International Conference. And I find it a very intimate one. And because it is an intimate one, the participants were able to do lively interactions after each research presentation.
Thank you for your feedback. Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. We are so grateful to have you. Hopefully, we will see you at our future conference.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for the invite to be part of this interview in Eurasia.